I would like to thank each and every one of my customers that trusted me and the team with their business in 2024. And don't stop. 2025 is tomorrow, and I'm still going to take care of you. So holla at the sales lady. Thank you for trusting me, to all my customers and future customers for trusting me with your business. See you next year.
From helmets to gear, she's got it all. Quality products, she'll stand tall. Trust in her expertise, she'll never fail. Holla at the sales lady, she'll hook you up right. Riding in style, cruising through the night. Light, through the night. Holla at the sales lady, she's your guide. On the open road, let the good times glide. I love trust in her expertise, she'll never fail. Holla at the sales lady, she'll hook you up right. Riding in style, cruising through the night. Holla at the sales lady, she's your guide. On the open road, let the good times glide. Holla at the sales lady, she'll hook you up right. Riding in style, cruising through the night. Holla at the sales lady, she's your guide. On the open road, let the good times glide. Looking for a gift idea? Holla at the sales lady. She'll find the perfect present, make your day shady. From helmets to gear, she's got it all. Quality products, she'll stand tall. Trust in her expertise, she'll never fail. Holla at the sales lady, she'll hook you up right. Riding in style, cruising through the night. Holla at the sales lady, she's your guide. On the open road, let the good times glide.